Tired of complicated withdrawal processes? Today, we're unlocking the secret to seamlessly transferring your pocket option profits directly to your Cash App account in just a few simple steps. First, log into your pocket option account and navigate to your profile settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Next, ensure your account is fully verified. This is a crucial step for security reasons and is required before you can make any withdrawals. Look for a verification or identity verification section and follow the instructions provided. Submitting the necessary documents. Once your account is verified, go to the Finance section and select Withdrawal. You'll typically find this in a sidebar menu or within your account dashboard. Here, you'll see various withdrawal methods. Unfortunately, Pocket Option doesn't directly support Cash App withdrawals. However, we can use an intermediary like Bitcoin. So, select Bitcoin as your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and carefully paste your Bitcoin wallet address from Cash App. Double-check the address to avoid any errors. Incorrect addresses can lead to permanent loss of funds. To get your Bitcoin wallet address, open Cash App, tap the Bitcoin tab, then select Deposit Bitcoin. Cash App will then display your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address. Back on Pocket Option, paste the copied Bitcoin address into the required field. Confirm all details and submit your withdrawal request. Pocket Option will usually send you a confirmation email. Be sure to check your inbox and confirm the withdrawal request. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the Bitcoin will appear in your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. From there, you can sell your Bitcoin for USD and use the funds as you wish. And that's it. A simple workaround to get your Pocket Option funds into Cash App. Remember to always double-check addresses and prioritize account security. Happy trading!